Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the revision worksheet of class 6. So our first question is given multiple choice question. In that first one is the point of intersection of x and y axis is called the dash. The correct answer is origin. The second one is given every bar in the bar graph should be of dash width, means how much they have the width unequal or equal. There should be a equal width between the two bar. So answer is equal. Convert 9 upon 50 into decimal fraction. To convert any fraction into decimal, the denominator should be 10, 100, 1000 this way. So 9 upon 50. So 50 can be converted into 100 by multiplying by 2. So 9 2 ja 18, 15 2 ja 100. So 18 upon 100 means after 2 number decimal. So our correct answer is 0.18. Now the fourth one is given 5 kilometer, 525 meter equal to dash kilometer. So this we have to write in the decimal number 5.525 kilometer. Okay. Now question number 2, it is given define divisibility test for 3. If the sum of the digit in a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. The next one is question number 3, solve the following. The question is given if 1245 multiplied by 45, we get the answer 42,330. Then 12.45 multiplied by 4.5, what we get? So here we can see there are in all three decimal places are there. 12.45, 45 is after decimal, here 4.5, here also one decimal. Total 3 decimals are there. So in the answer also will come after 3 number decimal. Will count the decimal from the right side. So 12.45 multiplied by 4.5, we get 42.330. Second number is given 2.45 plus 3.526 we have to add. Arrange the number. Decimal below decimal should come. So we arrange the number. So 0.45 is given, but we have the second number 3 digits, so we can take 0. 0 plus 6 we get 6. 5 plus 2 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. Decimal below decimal. 3 plus 2 is 5. The next one is given 65.286 minus 25.247. Arrange the number. So 6 minus 7 we can do. No, cut 8, make it 7. Here became 16. 16 minus 7 we get 9. 7 minus 4 we get 3. 2 minus 2 0. 5 minus 5 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, now next one. 25.13 multiplied by 6.4. So first of all we have to multiply as it is how we can multiply. After multiplying in the answer we have to put a decimal. So if you see in the question 25.13, there is a 2 number decimal. 6.4 means 1 decimal. In total 3 number decimals are there. From right side we will count 1 2 3, we put decimal, so we get the answer 160.832. Now next one is solve the following. Question number 4, convert common fraction into decimal fraction. So here our fraction was 7 upon 25. To convert any number into decimal we have to convert into 10, 100 or 1000. 25 table 100 is coming how many times? 4 times. So we are given denominator 4, so numerator also will multiply by 4. 7 4 is 28, 25 4 is 100. So we get 28 upon 100 means after 2 number decimal. So here we get 0.28. Second one is given convert the decimal fraction into common fraction. So question was 26.4. After decimal 1 number is there, so denominator will be 10. 0.04 means after 2 number decimal is there. So after 2 number decimal is given, the denominator will come 100. Now divide. The divide is given 4.8 divided by 2. 4.8 means we will remove the decimal, so became 48 upon 10 divided by 2 means 2 upon 1. The first fraction will be remains as it is. Divide become multiply. The second fraction become reciprocal means 1 upon 2. So here we get 48 multiplied by 1, 10 multiplied by 2. So 48, 8 1 is 48, 10 2 is 20. Now both number come in the table of 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 times is 20. So 24 upon 10 we can convert into decimal. After one digit decimal will come because 10 have the 1 0. So 2.4 is the answer. And the next one is 6.5 divided by 5. 6.5 means 65 upon 10 because after one number decimal is given. Divided by 5 means 5 upon 1. So first fraction will remain same. Divide become multiply. The fraction become reciprocal 1 upon 5. 65 1 is 65. 10 5 is 50. So 65 upon 50 both come in the table of 5. 5 13 ja, 5 10 ja. So 13 upon 10 means after one number decimal means 1.3. Now question number 5. Make the three group of number divisible by 3, 4 and 9. These are the number. So here we have to check student each number by 3 also, 4 also and 9 also. So 528. If we do addition, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 is coming in the table of 3, yes. So 528 will also come in the table of 3. For the 4, what we check last 2 digit. 28 is given. 528, 2 digit is 28. 28 come in the table of 4, yes. So 528 will come in the table of 4. Now we have done the addition, what the answer came? 15. 15 doesn't come in the table of 9. So 520 will not come in the table of 9. Now 116. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. 8 doesn't come in the table of 3. 8 doesn't come in the table of 9 also. So 116 will not come in the 3, will not come in the 9. But last 2 digits, if you see 16 is given, 16 come in the table of 4. So it will come 116 in the table of 4. Same way we will check all the digits and we'll write the answer. Got it?